Hello everyone, Salam Alaikum, Namaste, and welcome to our university, Astana Medical University. I congratulate you, you are student of the best university in Kazakhstan, in Astana, and welcome to our department, the best department in Astana Medical University, Department of Normal Physiology. And welcome to our first lecture. I think it will be very interesting trip. Turn off your microphones, please. Interesting travel trip. And let's begin this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the introduction to physiology. I want to say that after studying this chapter, you will be able to distinguish between anatomy and physiology and identify several branches of each. Describe various specialties of physiology. Identify the major levels of organization in living organisms. Identify organ systems of the human body and contrast. So thank you. Okay, and contrast their major function. Identify the functional characteristics of human life. Identify the four requirements for human survival, and define homeostasis and explain its importance to normal human functioning. Please switch off, guys. Switch off your microphones, please. Though you may approach a course in anatomy and physiology strictly as a requirement for your field of study, the knowledge you gain in this course will serve, I hope, will serve you well in many aspects of your life. An understanding of anatomy and physiology is not only fundamental to any career in the health professions, but it can also benefit your own health. Familiarity with the human body can help you make healthful choices and prompt you to take appropriate action when signs of illness arise. Your knowledge in this field, in physiology field, will help you understand news about nutrition, medications, medical devices, and procedures, and help you understand genetic or infection diseases. Uh, at some point, everyone will have a problem with some. Switch off microphones, please, guys. Soraf, switch off your microphones, please. Turn off. At some point, everyone will have a problem with some aspects of his or her body, and your knowledge can help you to a better parent, spouse, partners, friends, colleague, or caregiver. So, these our outcomes of this lecture in Introduction to Physiology, and our first question is overview of anatomy and physiology. Human anatomy is the scientific study of the body's structures. Some of these structures are very, very small and can only be observed and analyzed with the assistance of a microscope, yeah, of a microscope. Other larger structures can readily be seen, manipulated, measured, and weighed. The word anatomy comes from a Greek root that means to cut apart. Okay, whereas anatomy is about structure, physiology is about function. Human physiology is the scientific study of the chemistry and physics of the structures of the body and the ways in which they work together to support the functions of life. Much of the study of physiology centers on the body's tendency toward homeostasis. Who can tell me what is homeostasis, please?
Maintain a internal balance.
That's good. That's good. What else?
Body to maintain its internal environment.
Yes, well done.
Temperature from the surrounding.
Yes, Ari.
Process of maintaining a relative stable internal environment.
Good job.
Body, the temperature and the homeostasis.
Great, great, good job. Well done. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Thank you, Arif. And now you can
Yes, sir.
switch off your microphones, please.
Okay,
Okay?
sir. Okay, sir.
Homeostasis is very, very significant, very important term in physiology. Homeostasis is the state of steady internal conditions maintained by living things. The study of physiology certainly includes observation both with the naked eye and with microscopes, as well as manipulations and measurements. However, current advances in physiology usually depend on carefully designed laboratory experiments that reveal the functions of the many structures and chemical compounds that make up the human body. There are several specialties of physiology. Uh, four main specialties. First is cell physiology. We begin our study, examine of physiology subjects and different types of team. Study with beginning with cell physiology. Cell physiology is the study of the functions of living cells. Next specialty is special physiology. Special physiology is study of the physiology of specific organs. For example, lungs physiology, stomach physiology, what else? Heart physiology, etc. Next specialty is systemic physiology. Systemic physiology examine function of specific organ systems. For example, respiratory system, urinary system, digestive system, etc. And the last is pathological physiology or pathology. You will study pathological physiology on your third year study, okay? Uh, at normal physiology, you will examine just cell physiology, special physiology, and systemic physiology. Pathology on third year study and department of pathological physiology. Form is closely related to functions in all living things. Have you got it? Yes? Your study of anatomy and physiology will make more sense if you continually relate the form of the structures you are studying to their functions. And our next question, relations between structure and functions, the level of organization. The levels of organization. To study the chemical level of organization, scientists consider the simplest building blocks of matter, subatomic particles, as you can see at this slide, atom and molecules. All matter in the universe is composed of one or more unique pure substances. Mhm. Who else deliver lecture with me? Mhm. Switch off your microphones, please. Uh, Familiar examples of which hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, calcium, and iron, and etc. The smallest unit of any of these pure substances is atom. Guys, please turn off your microphones. I can't deliver lecture. Turn off your microphones, please.
Sir, turn off all microphones from your side, please. They are not listening.
The smallest unit of any of these pure substances is atom. Atoms are made up of subatomic particles such as the proton. What else? What else? Proton,
Electrons, neutrons.
electron, and neutron. Yes. Yes, thanks.
Yes, sir. Electrons, neutrons.
Two or more atoms combine to form a molecule.
Molecule.
Yes. Such as the water molecules, proteins, and sugars found in living things. Molecules are the chemical building blocks of all body structures. A cell is the smallest independently functioning unit of a living organism. Even bacteria or viruses, which are extremely small, independently living organisms, they have a cellular structure. Each bacterium is a single cell. All living structures of human anatomy contains cell, and almost all functions of human physiology are performed in cells or are initiated by cells. A human cell typically consists of flexible membranes that enclose cytoplasm, a water-based cellular fluid, together with a variety of tiny functioning units called organelles. I think you know, yes? You studied biology and you know about organelles. In humans, as in all organisms, cells perform all functions of life. What is next level? What do you think? Next level? Atom? Yes, it's tissue level. Tissue level. After cell, this is animal cell. Here you can see core, yes, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and organelles inside into. Okay, and next level is tissue level. A tissue is a group of many similar cells that work together to perform a specific function. An organism anatomically distinct structure of the body composed of two or more tissue types. Each organ performs one or more specific physiological functions. Yeah? Each organ, for example, here you can see lungs, two or more tissue working together to perform specific function. What function has lung? Breathing, yes, breathing. Breathing function, okay. Muscle,
All have a specific function.
muscle contraction. Heart,
Circulation.
blood pump, yes, blood pump, circulation, vessels, circulation. Urine bladder, micturition, yes, etc., etc., etc. Thank you. In organ system, next level is an organ system. Organ system level. Organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform major functions or meet physiological needs of the body. For example, as we said, respiratory, digestive, etc. Assigning organs to organ systems can be imprecise since organs that belong to one system can also have functions integral to another system. In fact, most organs contribute to more than one system. Are you agree? The organism, yes, the organism level, next level. The organism level is the highest level of organization. An organism is a living being that has a cellular structure and that can independently perform all physiologic functions necessary for our life. Our next question is organ systems. Organ systems of the human body. How many organ systems we know?
11.
11,
11.
12,
10,
13, 14,
13,
15.
14,
Okay,
10, 10,
okay, okay.
10, 11 to 13.
I think from 11 to 13 or 14, because
21.
here we can derive cardiovascular system, for example, heart system, vessel system, and blood system. And reproductive system, male reproductive and female reproductive, etc. Okay, first system is integumentary system. Integumentary system consists of
Body cover.
Skin, nails.
Nails and stuff.
External part of our body.
yes.
Internal body covering.
Deeper tissues.
Well done. Good job. Integumentary system consists of a skin, hair,
Yes.
and nails. Yeah, hair and nails, accessory organs of skin. Skin is the biggest organ of our body. Yeah, do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Skin forms the external body covering and protects deeper tissues from injury. All our internal organs, all our internal system from injury. Skin synthesizes as well vitamin D, and it houses cuteness, pain, pressure, tactile, different type of tactile, vibration, therma, etc., and many other receptors and glands. Two types of glands: sweat gland and oil glands. Yeah. Next,
Vivacious.
yes. Next system is skeletal system. Skeletal system includes
Bones. Arteries.
mhm,
Bone, joint, ligaments,
Bones, cartilage,
all body bones.
bone marrow.
do you think that ligaments is skeletal system? Ligaments is skeletal system, do you think?
Yes, sir.
I think no.
Ligament is not a skeletal system.
Yes?
It's a germ.
Skeletal
Attached.
or muscle or
It's a muscle.
muscular skeletal. Yeah. It will be better. Muscular
Yeah,
skeletal
muscular
system.
skeleton.
Okay. Skeletal system: bones, cartilage, joints. Yeah. Main parts
sir.
of skeletal system. And skeletal system, a main function is protect and support body organs and provides a framework the muscles use to cause our movement. Blood cells formed within bones. Yeah. Red,
sir.
red,
Yes,
red
sir.
bone marrow, yeah, and erythrocytes, red blood cells, and bones store minerals, different types of minerals. Next system, muscular system. Muscular system includes skeletal muscles and allows manipulation of the environment, locomotion, and our facial expression, maintains posture, and produces heat. Next system is nervous system. Nervous system includes
Brain,
Sensory
includes two systems, that's CNS and PNS, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. It includes all the organs which are included in this.
good,
Don't disturb our teacher.
good, great. Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system includes, Arif,
Includes the nervous system, sir.
central nervous system. includes
Excuse me, sir.
Brain and spinal cord.
Brain and spinal cord.
brain and spinal cord. Peripheral.
Spinal cord is also a main part of our brain nervous system.
Yes. Oh, second.
Excuse me, sir.
Arif, second Arif. I see now. Arif Raza Khan. Okay.
Yes, sir. Arif Raza Khan.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, what's the duration of the class?
What class?
Duration of this class.
Duration. Till 150. 150, okay? Nervous system, brain and spinal cord, peripheral nerves, and not shown at this slide, special sense organs. Agree? Do you agree? Special sense organs are also nervous system, such as vision. What else?
Air as well. Hearing and
Vision is eye, yeah? Organs.
Eyes.
Special sense organs. Vision is eye.
The sensory organs. Air.
Hearing, ear.
Yeah, hearing.
Taste, tongue. Next.
Sensory.
Smell is nose.
Yeah.
And skin, yes? Skin is
sensation.
also sense organ, the biggest sense organ. Okay, special sense organ. The nervous system is the fast acting, because endocrine, we know endocrine system is slow acting system, but nervous system, fast acting system, fast acting control system of the body. It responds to internal and external changes by activating appropriate muscles and glands and other organs and mechanisms. Next, cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular or circulatory system includes three components. Heart,
and blood
vessels, and
heart, blood, and blood vessels.
yes, yes, well done. Heart, blood vessels, and blood. Blood vessels transport blood, which carries oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, wastes. The heart pumps blood. The heart pumps blood. Next system, very significant system in modern time, in this time, because of COVID-19 year. You should know about lymphatic system, very important, significant, crucial system for our body. Immunity system. Immune system includes lymph nodes, thymus, bone marrow,
Lymphatic muscles.
yes,
Spleen.
tonsils, adenoids, a spleen, yes, spleen.
Yes, sir.
What else? What else?
It nodes.
Appendix.
Yes. Yes, thymus.
Lymph nodes. Also
Yes, yes, lymph nodes, Arif, good. Lymph nodes and
bone marrow.
yes, bone marrow, and not shown at this slide, gut associated lymphoid tissue, yes, and WBC.
Yes, sir.
White blood cells also, immune system and cell immunity, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next system is endocrine system. Endocrine or endocrine, I don't know. Endocrine or endocrine.
You can pronounce both of it. It depends which country you're from.
Endocrine,
UK or
yes?
US.
Okay, endocrine is better.
We pronounce it as endocrine.
It's
Uh-huh.
one of the same.
In what way you pronounce endocrine? Endocrine or endocrine? Endocrine. Some of you endocrine, some of endocrine. Okay.
Sir, it's a matter of pronunciation. Like some people pronounce Amin and some people pronounce Amine.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, for me, but endocrine. I don't know.
Yeah,
Endocrine,
it's
endocrine. Okay,
it's also endocrine.
endocrine system
Homeostatic defense,
includes
it is endocrine.
endocrine system includes
The
all
pituitary gland.
hormone secreting tissues. Yes, all
Yes.
Yes, sir.
hormone secreting tissues, including hyper, hyper, hyper,
Hypothalamus.
hypothalamus,
Parathyroid, thyroid,
Pituitary
pituitary
gland.
gland,
Hypothalamus
adrenal
gland.
gland, adrenal gland,
Pancreas.
adrenal gland,
Gonads.
yes,
male and female gonads,
yes, yes, it's good, very
kidney,
good.
heart.
What about adrenals? Adrenals? Yeah,
Sir, I already told that. It plays a
adrenal
very
glands.
important role for your epinephrine, sir.
Yes.
Epinephrine and noradrenaline gland.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good job. I heard about pancreas, but just endocrine pancreas, yes? Endocrine pancreas, because pancreas has two parts, endocrine and exocrine, yes. Here in endocrine system includes endocrine pancreas, gonads, I heard about gonads, you said, kidneys, pineal, thymus, and not shown this slide, parathyroid, intestine, heart, skin, adipose tissue, because all these tissues, hormone secreting tissues. Have you got it? Okay. Have you got it, guys?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay. Did you understand? Okay. Next system is respiratory system. Respiratory system includes
Lungs,
Lungs, trachea,
nasal cavity,
subspace,
trachea, larynx,
good.
larynx,
alveoli, alveolars.
Yes, good, good. But alveoli, it's not organ. Okay, it is not organ. It's part of lungs. Okay, respiratory system includes
It
nose,
is mouth,
pharynx,
trachea, lungs, bronchi, and
lungs,
it's
and lungs,
alveoli.
and lungs. Not alveoli is
And
part
lungs,
of
lungs,
lungs.
only lungs.
Okay.
It is a part of lungs.
Yes, it's
Then
not.
also,
It is not organ. Nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Okay. Respiratory system keeps blood constantly supplied with oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. The gases exchanges occur through the walls of the air sacs of the lungs. Air sacs are alveoli. Yes, that's good. Good, good, great. Next system is digestive system. Digestive system includes
stomach,
Mouth,
liver,
esophagus,
esophagus,
stomach,
buccal cavity,
large intestine, small intestine, and different hormones of intestine.
and here we should tell about second part of pancreas, exocrine pancreas. Yes, exocrine pancreas. Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, salivary glands. Yeah, exocrine
Yes, sir.
pancreas, liver, and gall
Yes. Gallbladder.
gallbladder, yes, and gallbladder. Okay, digestive system break down food into absorbable units that enter the blood for distribution to body cells, and indigestible foodstuffs are eliminated from our body as feces. Next system is urinary system, kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Urinary system eliminates nitrogens, waste from the body, regulates water balance, acid balance, electrolyte balance, etc. Next system is reproductive system. Just a moment. reproductive system. Male reproductive system includes testes, penis, prostate gland, seminal vesicles, bulbourethral glands, associated ducts, and the male reproductive system overall function is production of offspring. Testes produce sperm and male sex hormone, and male ducts and glands aid in delivery of sperm to the female reproductive tract. And female reproductive system, ovaries, oviducts, uterus, vagina, and breasts. Ovaries produce eggs and female sex hormones. The remaining family structures serve as sites for fertilization and development of the fetus. Mammary glands of female breasts produce milk to nourish the newborn. The different organ systems, guys, each have different functions, as you see. Please switch off microphones, please. And therefore, unique roles to perform in physiology. These many functions can be summarized in terms of a few that we might consider definitive of human life. Four general functions and four general terms of life: responsiveness, movement, development, reproduction, and metabolism. First term is responsiveness. So, responsiveness is the ability of an organism to adjust to changes in its internal and external environment, such as increased body temperature can cause the responses of sweating and the dilation of blood vessels in the skin in order to decrease temperature. Next term in metabolism is metabolism. The first law of thermodynamics holds that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, it can only change form. Your basic function as an organism is to consume, ingest energy and molecules in the foods you eat, convert some of it into fuel for movement, sustain your body functions, and build and maintain your body structures. And there are two types of reactions that accomplish this. I think you know these reactions: anabolism and catabolism. Yes, yes. Movement, next term. Human movement includes not only actions at the joints of the body, but also the motion of individual organs and even individual cells. As you read these words, red and white blood cells are moving throughout your body. Muscle cells are contracting and relaxing to maintain your posture and to focus your vision. Maybe at me, whether you look at me. Your body is coordinating the action of entire muscle groups to enable you to move air into and out of your lungs, to push blood throughout your body, and to propel the food you have eaten through your digestive tract. Consciously, of course, you contract your skeletal muscles to move the bones of your skeleton to get from one place to another and to carry out all of the activity of your daily life. And last, development and growth. Development is all of, no, not last, last is the reproductive. Development is all of the changes the body goes through in life. Development includes the process of differentiation in which unspecialized cells become specialized in structure and functions to perform certain tasks in the body. Development also includes the processes of growth and repair, both of which involve cells differentiation. And growth is the increase in body size. Humans, like all multicellular organisms, grow by increasing the number of existing cells. Yes? And next, reproduction is the formation of a new organism from parent organisms. In humans, reproduction is carried out by the male and female reproductive systems, because that will come to all complex organisms. Unfortunately, organisms without reproduction, the line of organisms would unfortunately end. That's it. And I think about homeostasis we will discuss next hour lectures. Just I stop my demonstration. Okay. If you have some questions, please write down to our chat, to your chat in WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you,
See
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
I
Goodbye.
think we will be on the same wavelength.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.